Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY and hand lettering videos. In today's video, we will see very easy DIY birthday card doodle ideas. Let's start. Again, in today's video, we're going to use just a normal, any card paper you can use. I'm using my watercolor brush pens, a simple fine liner pen and a pencil. So you can use any paper, any card paper, and we are going to make very simple and easy designs which you can very easily do for gifting a birthday card to your family and friends. So before we go ahead, I want to make a quick announcement. I'm going to take a workshop on 28th of August. You all can check out all the details in the description. We are going to make like cute animal doodles. Anybody above the age of 4 can join in. So check out the details and enroll today. Now let's move on with our video. So जो मुझे बहुत पहले से follow करते हैं on this channel, they know very well. I have mentioned this in my first video as well, that I've always been fond of making these handmade birthday cards or any, cards for specific occasions. And birthdays are my favorite. For gifting people, I feel ये बहुत ही effective and very simple yet very interesting gift हो सकता है. Because rather than a printed card, it gives like a personal touch that the person जिसको आप ये gift कर रहे हो is very special to you. So I've always been making these birthday cards and आज के वीडियो में मैं बहुत ही easy way में आपको बता सकती हूँ that it will not even take more than 10 minutes to make these cards. You can write inside the card you can write a little message how the person is special for you, and you can definitely gift these to your family, friends, colleagues, anybody. So I hope you like this video. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो I'm going to make a part 2 of this as well, and let me know in the comments whether you like this and which one is your favorite among these. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.